Today we will demonstrate PixSpan's data transport service in the cloud called CloudMover, which is geared to enterprises moving large volumes of data in the cloud. PixSpan's CloudMover provides the fastest data movement in the cloud for every file type and size, reliably and securely. The demo that I will show you imagines a company that produces content on the East Coast, for example, in New York, and then loads the content into the East region. They have the requirement of delivering the content to the West Coast. This could easily be from any S3 bucket to another S3 bucket within the same region or across the world. We're going to assume that CloudMover has already been installed from the AWS Marketplace and the data is already in the cloud on the East Coast. We will demonstrate a transfer of 10 terabytes of data within CloudMover. With other transport mechanisms, that transfer would take 12 hours or longer and would likely result in idle workers and a blown deadline. Let's see how long it takes PixSpan's CloudMover to do that same 10 terabyte transfer. We'll speed up the video to keep the demo short. But first, let's see how easy it is to set up a new S3 bucket. I'm going to go into the System Settings tab and add an S3 bucket that is in my Singapore region. I'll give it a folder name, put in the name of the bucket, choose the Singapore region, and put in the security keys, then hit Submit. We can now go back to the New Job tab, and we can see that the Singapore bucket is now available as a source or destination for transfers. For this demo, I'm going to copy a folder with 10 terabytes from my bucket in the East region to another bucket in the West region. The source folder has 196,123 files in it, each about 51 megabytes. When I drag the source folder over to the folder that represents the bucket in the West region, it opens a dialog box where I can enter the specific instructions for the job. I'll choose the copy operation and select to recurse through subfolders to find all the files. Now I'll enter the job by hitting the Submit Job button. The job status is viewed on the Dashboard tab, and this is where we can time this new job to see how fast it goes. I'll start the Google stopwatch once this new job has finished loading. Now that the job is running, we can look at some of the other functionality that CloudMover provides. On the dashboard, we can view jobs in various states, including started, waiting to start, completed, errored, and all. Users are administered on the User Admin tab. On this tab, you can add, delete, suspend, and restore users. Users are created in one of three roles: Administrator, Data Wrangler, and View Only. On the Folder Admin tab, administrators can restrict users from viewing folders so that a user can be isolated to just his or her project spaces. The System Settings tab allows administrators to set up an email for system use and to enter the S3 settings for new folders. And the UI can be made dark for better visibility in a dark room. Let's go back and watch the job complete. I'll stop the timer as the job completes, and then it's time for a little math to figure out how fast this data copy was. The copy took 13 minutes. So that means the copy rate was 12,820 megabytes per second. To compute this in gigabits per second, we multiply 8 and divide by 1,000 to give us 102 gigabits per second. Remember from earlier that competing solutions run at 1 or 2 gigabits per second. So this was a 50x improvement. So how does CloudMover achieve this incredible copy speed? Well, CloudMover is architected with massive parallelization. It utilizes all aspects of the interface to S3 very efficiently. And of course, we have some PixSpan special hot sauce in there as well. You can further see the CloudMover speed advantage in the CloudMover calculator. CloudMover offers 3 speeds: Express, Plus, and Ultra, to meet your workflow requirements. The copy demo I just showed was performed at the fastest Ultra speed. You can see the speed difference and the related cost of each speed offering in this example 30 terabyte transfer from London to California. You can triple your speed for a penny per gigabyte with Express, or go 10 times faster with Plus for 6 cents per gigabyte. or over 30 times or faster with Ultra, 13 cents per gigabyte. CloudMover's unparalleled performance can make a transformational difference for your disaster recovery strategy, for interacting with third parties throughout the world for follow-the-sun workflows, or in just meeting customer deadlines. Imagine gaining control over the cloud, making it more manageable and predictable. There are no minimums or fixed contracts. You don't need a training manual to learn, and there is no disruption to your current workflows. So any customer moving large volumes of data across the cloud should try this product today.